we got another Temu product here. So I already cut it open, but I noticed there's a little bit of damage while it was being delivered. So we'll see how bad it is. So let y'all take a peek at what this is. The instructions here. Alright, so here's the buffer. The extension cord. The stone. Which I'm not going to open it up because these are really brittle. I've broke one once at work before. Sandpaper. I'm not going to use this today. Ooh, what is this? An AC adapter. Alright. These are all the accessories for the stone. Your assortment of Allen keys. Dust cover of some sort. I don't know what for. We'll find out. But let's open it up and see what we got. Ooh. Oh, it comes with another sandpaper, and it's a fine one. Check that out. Well, that's nice. So obviously this is how it works. It runs off of these rolls here. This one is your main one for the motor. So this dust cover here obviously goes on this spindle here, that way it don't, you know, get yourself hurt or whatever. So there we go, just like that. Now you got, well, it's adjustable table. You got your on and off switch. You got your rubber feet to dampen the vibration. It's pretty light. Weighs under 2 pounds at least. And you can adjust the rollers. So I'm assuming by adjusting these rollers here, you could actually get bigger sizes instead of the sizes that they give you. So that's great. Just in case I find some local ones that are a little bit too big, I have some room to play with. That's handy. You got your tensioner spring right here. And some sort of labeling. Oh, tells the manufacturer is made in Shanghai. It is 110 to 240 volts output. And made in China. You know what? Since I got another blade on here, let's fire this thing up. So let me get it set up. Now I'm going to use a clamp. Hold this sucker down. Now, right there is your plug-in. For your AC adapter. What I want to show you first, before I turn this on, is this light has numbers on the side. And those numbers represent the RPM. So it goes to 10 to 24. So when you turn this on, which by the way, so if you click this all the way down to the low setting, right there, and that'll work perfectly they take them fine passes. So for example, I have this high-speed steel, and say I'm homing it in, you want to go as fine as possible on it. See, just like that. Now if I want to be more aggressive, just like that. And if I want to do a radius, you know, I would just get the stone here, and when I get the radius all profiled out, I would just slowly home it in with the stone. But it's actually a pretty neat little thing. And would I say it's going to do 100% every single job you throw at it? No. But if you need something real quick in a pinch, I think this will work quite well. For a cheap, under $30 item, it's not bad. So that's all I got for now. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap that notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright, later.